Hey guys, Clip here, and today I will be reviewing you this General Grievous Mini Starfighter thing. It's small, but it really looks like the big one. By the way, this is just a quick review. It's really easy to build and does not do anything at all. Yes, just like that. That's all, I guess. No, not yet. I will not be making stop motions for a while because I have school. Yes, I have school. Back to the piece. It's cool, you can collect it, but I recommend it for early Star Wars collectors. That's all. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Pew pew pew!